DALL-E 3 isn't just an image generator, it's a game changer in AI creativity. Imagine turning your wildest descriptions into stunning, high-quality art with just a few words. From seamless ChatGPT integration to fun experiments and powerful automations, we'll explore how DALL-E 3 can transform your creative process like never before. Ready to unlock endless possibilities? What is DALL-E 3? DALL-E 3 is the newest version of OpenAI's powerful AI image generator, and it's a big progress from DALL-E 2. With advanced capabilities, DALL-E 3 can transform even the simplest descriptions into stunning, high-quality images. Whether you're looking for realistic photos, expressive paintings, or whimsical illustrations, DALL-E 3 delivers impressive results. This upgrade not only improves visual detail and creativity, but also makes the process of creating images more intuitive. Compared to DALL-E 2, DALL-E 3 does a much better job of understanding complex prompts. It's more accurate when interpreting numbers, spatial arrangements, and specific stylistic details. This means fewer errors and more reliable outcomes. From artwork to practical visual concepts, it's a go-to tool for bringing your ideas to life. One of the biggest changes is that DALL-E 3 is no longer a standalone app. It's now integrated directly into ChatGPT, making it super easy to access. If you're a ChatGPT Plus or Enterprise subscriber, you can use DALL-E 3 right inside the ChatGPT interface. This integration makes generating images simpler and more efficient, allowing you to communicate with the AI using natural language. How to access DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT. Getting started with DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT is easy, but you'll need a ChatGPT Plus subscription. Signing up is simple. First, go to chat.openai.com and log into your account. If you haven't upgraded yet, find the upgrade plan option at the bottom of the left sidebar. Follow the steps to sign up for ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. With this subscription, you'll have access to GPT-4, which is necessary to use DALL-E 3. Once you're subscribed, switch to GPT-4. Just click on the model selector at the top of the chat interface and pick GPT-4 or GPT-4 Turbo. Now you're ready to create images with DALL-E 3. It's integrated right into ChatGPT, making it simple to generate art from both basic and complex descriptions. But what if you're not ready to pay for a subscription? Don't worry, there's a free option. You can use DALL-E 3 through Microsoft's Bing Image Creator. It's powered by the same model but comes with a few limitations. You'll need a Microsoft account, and while using the service is free, images are watermarked and tied to a Boosts credit system. Once your Boosts run out, generating images may take longer using DALL-E 3. Generating images with DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT is simple and fun. Once you've chosen GPT-4, just type in a text prompt describing the image you want to create. The more specific you are, the better the results. For example, you can start with something straightforward like an oil painting of a monkey in a spacesuit on the moon. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try a more detailed prompt like a Canadian man riding a moose through a maple forest in the style of an impressionist painting. What's really impressive about DALL-E 3 is how well it brings your descriptions to life. It automatically refines your prompts to add more detail and accuracy. Let's say you type in a curious cow, wide aspect ratio, expressionism. DALL-E 3 might enhance that to include details like a curious cow in an expressionist style with vibrant abstract colors and exaggerated features. This makes your images richer and often gives them a creative twist. Another cool feature is that DALL-E 3 offers variations of your original prompt. It generates 2 images, each with a unique interpretation. If you're curious about how DALL-E 3 modified your prompt, you can click on the image and then click the I button. This shows you the exact prompt DALL-E 3 used, giving you insight into how the AI understood your request. So whether you're aiming for surreal art or a precise visual concept, experimenting with different prompts and seeing what DALL-E 3 creates is part of the fun. Get in, explore, and let your imagination run wild. Editing images with DALL-E 3. Editing images with DALL-E 3 and ChatGPT is easy and intuitive. Once you've generated an image, you can make edits using natural language. Just type in what you want to change. For example, if you'd like to see more variations of an image, simply say, "Show me more variations of this." Want to adjust the composition? You can ask for changes like, "Move the subject to the left side," or "Make the aspect ratio a square." You can modify many aspects, such as the point of view, subject details, or background. Need to change the color of a character's clothing or adjust the number of objects in the scene? Just describe it, and DALL-E 3 will create new images based on your request. Keep in mind that DALL-E 3 doesn't edit the existing image directly. Instead, it generates a new version, which may sometimes lead to subtle tweaks or occasionally more significant changes. For those who want more control, DALL-E 3 offers a handy select tool. Click on the image you want to edit and choose the select tool from the menu. Then paint over the area you'd like to modify. You can adjust the brush size for better accuracy. Once you've highlighted the area, describe your desired edits in the sidebar, and DALL-E 3 will work to change just that part. While these editing features aren't quite as refined as in DALL-E 2, they are still powerful and user-friendly. Sometimes you may need to experiment a bit to get your edits just right, but with some practice, you'll quickly learn how to fine-tune images and make DALL-E 3 work for your creative vision. Tips for getting the best results. To get the best results with DALL-E 3, start by crafting detailed prompts. While simple descriptions can work, adding specifics will dramatically enhance the images. Think about including details like colors, styles, emotions, or the setting. For example, instead of saying a dog on a beach, try a golden retriever joyfully playing on a sunny beach with gentle waves and a bright blue sky. The more vivid your description, the better DALL-E 3 captures your vision. One of DALL-E 3's standout features is its improved understanding of numbers and positioning. It's much more accurate when interpreting prompts like 3 red apples on the left side of a wooden table. DALL-E 2 often had trouble getting quantities and placements right, but DALL-E 3 handles these requests with much more precision. If you need specific arrangements or numbers in your images, this improvement is a game changer. When making adjustments while keeping the core elements of an image, ask for subtle variations. This way, DALL-E 3 makes small tweaks rather than completely transforming the image. It's a great way to refine details while staying true to your original vision. Instead of starting from scratch, these variations help perfect the image with more controlled changes. And here's a tip. Don't forget about the generous prompt limit. With up to 50 requests every 3 hours, you have plenty of opportunities to experiment. Use this to your advantage by trying different styles, making multiple attempts at complex scenes, or exploring various variations. The best way to master DALL-E 3 is through hands-on practice, so dive in, have fun, and explore all the creative possibilities. Fun and experimentation. One of the best things about using DALL-E 3 is the chance to experiment and explore the limits of your imagination. The AI is designed to handle everything from the beautiful to the bizarre. Want to see a cubist painting of a large cow in a small field, or an oil painting of a monkey in a spacesuit on the moon? DALL-E 3 can make it happen, and often in ways you never expected. Exploring these capabilities can lead to some delightful surprises. During testing, I asked for a surreal landscape with floating islands and a waterfall pouring into the sky, and the result was breathtaking. Another time, I requested a portrait of a lion wearing a crown of flowers, and the image was a stunning mix of regal and whimsical. Sometimes, DALL-E 3's interpretations are even better than what you imagine. Other times, it may take a few tries to get it just right. The key is to keep experimenting, have fun, and let the AI's artistic creativity inspire you. Happy creating. Automation with DALL-E 3. Did you know you can automate image generation with DALL-E 3 using Zapier? This integration makes your creative workflow faster and more efficient by connecting DALL-E 3 to your favorite apps. Think about it. You could automatically generate AI images whenever new data or requests come in from apps you use daily, without any manual input. Setting up automation is straightforward. Start by linking your ChatGPT account to Zapier. Next, create a zap that triggers DALL-E 3 to generate images based on specific actions in other apps, like getting a new email, updating a spreadsheet, or receiving an order on your e-commerce site. The image can then be automatically saved, shared, or sent wherever you need it. The benefits are clear. You save time, streamline your tasks, and always have unique visuals ready to go. It's a powerful way to boost productivity and fully leverage DALL-E 3 capabilities. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed exploring DALL-E 3's incredible features, don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI content. Have questions or thoughts about DALL-E 3? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas and experiences.